Board here for all terminals and commercial.
Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. I am flying today. The last time I was at the airport was in January, and now it is what, October? What, September? Yeah, October, and I am finally flying on an airplane. And wow, look at this place. These places, shops are open. The airport is extremely dead, by the way. I've never seen SFO this dead. This actually reminds me of some of the random airports that I would go to in other countries. It's exactly what this reminds me of. All right, man, this place is like a ghost town. We got a little museum over here. Ooh, I see some water. I'm gonna go fill my bottle up. What's the African American Museum? Oh, what's African barbershops? Oh, check that out. Uh-oh, San Francisco International Airport. You showing off some good stuff. Yeah, show them dreadlocks. Yes, dreadlocks. Low haircuts for the people who like low haircuts. Or dreadlocks for the people that like the rock locks. But anyway, we need to go to the gate, because I do not have a seat assigned. But anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Alright, over here we got this free water. It's always a good idea when you're flying. Carry one of these little water bags. You gotta somehow get the sensor to go off down here. Okay, we'll do it like this. I am totally in the wrong terminal. I need to walk over to gate C. C is in cat. C is in Cindy. C is in gate C. Here's the yoga room. Look at this. Can you see anything? No, you can't see anything. I've never actually seen it before. I've only seen the sign in the airport. Wow, it looks pretty. Oh, this is definitely not the SFO I remember, but I'm sure all airports around here are like this, but this is just the first time I've been to one. Holy cow, is there anyone here? There's this one person behind me, but I don't see anyone else here. Bay Area Sports Hall of Fame. I would stop and look at it for a second, but I kind of want to see what's going on with this flight. This terminal looks a whole lot more normal. I see life in this terminal. Whew. Okay, cool beans. First flight down. So I'm going over to gate 135. Let's take a shuttle around to get there. This place is dead, yo. Alright. Getting on my bus. Holy jeez, look at this terminal. I don't see anyone here. Huh. Weird. There's like no one here. Insane. Travel in 2020. Alright, let's get lost. Wow, this place is a ghost town, literally. I mean, I see a few people here. Man, this sucks. The airport, they're not even opening the escalators, yo. I'm just walking around seeing what's open. I'm a little early before my flight leaves. So this shop's open. I guess a lot of these places just don't have enough demand to be open. This is a food court area. Looks like Panda Express is open. Wow. This is insane. This is crazy, right? Everything is closed. All the duty-free shops are closed. All right, here we go. Flight number 2.